Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, we'll learn how to fix CPU calling is running but has no display on the monitor. Let's go start. Method 1. Check the monitor status. First, remove the VGA cable in the CPU and go to the monitor screen. Check signal cable is a message that means this monitor is okay. Reconnect the VGA cable in computer. Method 2. Turn off your computer and unplug all cable and from the power cable from the computer. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Remove the battery that powers the CMOS chip. Carefully release the clip or holder securing the CMOS battery. Once you've removed the CMOS battery, wait for approximately 20 minutes. Again, reconnect the battery. Now check the present status on the computer. Method 3. Shut off your power supply unit. Unplug all cables from the PSU except for the main AC cable and the 24-pin cable. If your system has issues turning on, you can check if your power supply unit, PSU, is functioning properly by performing a test. Turn on the power supply. Power supply unit unplug and plug in the hard disk drive. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do you see now that I unplugged my graphics card power supply and again plugged in the power supply? Power on and go to the monitor screen and now check the present status on the computer. Method 4. Open the cabinet cover well after opening the CPU cabinet and we will check the RAM. So we can open the RAM from the RAM slot. One of the reasons your computer won't boot, but the fan spin could be a bad RAM. After removing the RAM from the slot, take a brush and gently clean the dust with the brush as I am doing. After cleaning the RAM with a brush, take a rubber eraser, then clean the RAM. Return it to the same slot or try a different slot. RAM, connect the power cable and turn on the computer. See my PC got display. We have solved successfully. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.